Okay, this is number, I think it's number 5, 10 point, turn my pencil on. It's 10.2, number 5. So it says a pilot flies in a straight path for 1 hour 45 minutes. Then she makes a course correction heading 60 degrees to the right of her original course and flies 2 hours 15 minutes in the new direction. She maintains a constant speed of 220 miles per hour. That's key. These times are key as well. From a starting position, how far is she from her starting position? Give your answer at the nearest mile. So I'm going to draw a little picture, and it really doesn't matter which way you orient this. I'm just going to go vertical. So she's going vertical for so long. This is the 1 hour 45 minutes portion, and then she goes 60 degrees to the right. Maybe I should make that a little more exaggerated. We'll call this 60 degrees, which means this angle here is 120 degrees. And this one she's going for how do I cancel that? Whatever. For 2 hours 15 minutes. And what we want is this resultant side. And when I first read this, I was thinking vectors, but no, they want law of cosines. And so actually law of cosines works because you're going to have a side here, you're going to have a side here, and the angle between. So to get this side, though, we want the distance, not just the time. So, sorry about the bell. So we're going to do, 1 hour 45 minutes is equal to 1.75 hours. And if we do 220 miles per hour times 1.75 hours, we get 385 miles. So this is 385. And then 2 hours 15 minutes is the same as 2.25 hours. So do 220 miles per hour times 2.25 hours. Hours cancel, did they here too? Anyway, you end up with 495 miles. So this side is 495. So if we need to call it something, if I call this A, call this B, this makes this little b, makes this little a, makes this c, and this is c. We would say c squared, this law of cosines, equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine of angle c. So c squared would be equal to 385 squared plus 495 squared minus 2 times 385 times 495 times cosine of 120. So my c squared is going to be, and here I turn to the handy dandy calculator, 495 squared minus 2 times 385 times 495 times cosine 120, which we all know because we memorize these values. I get 82924. .92. So c would be the square root of that. So c would be equal to, no, clear that. I want the square root of this amount. And I get 287 miles, 0.966687. So they said the nearest mile, so 288 miles. Okay, well, I hope that helps.